So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyler, also known as Knotsncurls, and if you've been here for a little while, then thank you for coming back. But in today's video, I am going to do a curly afro. Usually when I do my curly hair routine, I put a middle part or a side part, and I haven't actually been able to enjoy just like a rounded kind of just out there free fro in a bit. So that's what I plan to do today. Ignore how my face looks right now. My allergies are on cloud 9. Let's just forget about that. But today I'm going to be trying out a product that I've never tried before. It's by one of my all-time favorite hair care brands, Bodyworks, and I've been interested in trying this product for a very long time. And it is their Nourishing Curl Jam from the Papaya Castor collection. I'm really interested in seeing how it is. It smells really good. Like, it smells really dope. And the consistency is thick but movable. So you know there are some products that are like thick and they don't move. Like you can turn it upside down and it would not escape from the package. This one, if I turn it upside down, guarantee you that a whole set is about to go onto the floor. So I'm not gonna do that, but it's thick enough but still kind of a jelly consistency. Oh yeah, and they said that it's a styling and conditioning moisturizing jelly for textured and or curly hair. It's for smooth sleek styling and it's light hold. So it's not necessarily supposed to be for wash and go or a curly hair routine, but that's what I'm gonna use it for today, so fingers crossed. The first thing that I'm gonna do though is test to see if my gel and my leave-in mix. So the gel that I'm using is the WETLINE Xtreme Professional Styling Gel. I'm just gonna apply the back of my hand like this. I added some of the Papaya Nourishing Curl Jam, and then I'm gonna add some gel, and then we're gonna mix it and see. Please, no, don't do this to me. Okay, so they mix well for the most part. See, it's mixing well. There's no clumps, no residue like that. So I'm very happy about that. I'm just putting that in my hair because ain't nobody about to waste that. So now that we know that it mixes well, I'm going to start with my hair. So my hair is freshly washed. Well, not freshly washed. I shampooed my hair 3 days ago and then I conditioned it 2 days ago. And I put it into these braids just so that it wouldn't get tangled up again. I'm gonna start in the back, starting off with these two pieces. Now I prefer to do my hair on soaking wet hair just to make the process a lot easier. Also, I tried this new conditioner a day ago when I conditioned my hair. It is absolutely amazing, and I will definitely be telling you guys about that conditioner because you definitely need to try it out. But that's not what this video is about. I'm going to take the spray bottle and soak my hair with water. So I'm going to spray that bad boy. Just get it. Just get it soaking wet. Now the water is in. I'm just going to take a small amount at first, an actual dime size amount. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit more. Rub it between my hands because I always like to warm up my products before I apply them. And then just put it onto the hair. So far, I just can't get over the smell. It smells incredible. And it does feel like it's adding some moisture because although my hair is already pretty tangled. But yeah. Next, I'm going to use this Tangle Teaser. Y'all know that I like this Tangle Teaser. This one is from Muddy Body, but I'm pretty sure you can find one anywhere. I'm just using it to detangle my hair. gel. And the first thing I'm going to do is apply some to the roots of my hair just to lay it down. And then I'm going to distribute it to my hair, but in even smaller pieces. So I'm starting with this piece. Take another clip it, because I want to get as much definition as possible. Gonna rake it in. Forgot that normally I would apply oil after my moisturizer, but I ended up applying the oil after the gel, which I'm using the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Essential 7 treatment oil. But applying it after the gel actually really helped to prevent any gel casting. Usually I would have some gel casting and fix that with oil after my hair has dried, but because I applied the oil after the gel, I didn't have any casting at all, and my hair was super fluffy and beautiful without it being crunchy or hard. So that's a great tip that I learned in that video, and I'm probably going to continue doing that for a while. I definitely loved the results. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and also comment the emoji with the girl lifting weights, because this hairstyle was definitely an arm workout. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.